Dear students, today we are going to study about charged capacitors. If you do connect each other, how energy will change. For example, now this is called connection of charged capacitors. Connection of charged capacitors. Here is one capacitor. This is C1. Its positive plate, negative plate. It is positively charged. It has got charge Q1, and potential difference between the plates is V1. So, means what, with the help of some battery, we have charged this capacitor to the potential difference V1 to the charge Q1. Its capacity is C1. And similarly, here is another capacitor, C2. Its capacitance is C2. It is also charged to Q2. This is positive plate, this is negative plate, and it is charged to potential difference V2. So in that way, we have two charged capacitors separately with separate sources. They are charged with separate batteries. They are charged. This is charged with the battery whose voltage is V1. This is charged with the battery whose voltage is V2. And if we connect these two, means what, positive plate of this to positive plate of this, what will happen? Before connecting, this is the situation. So if we have not switched on, means what, still I have not connected these two. So before connecting, they have potential difference V1, they have potential difference V2. Different potential difference they have. This you can compare with the two jars, containers, in which one is having water and second one also might be having water, but different levels. Both are connected with pipes. Then what will happen? Here water will flow till in both the jars, in both the containers, height of the water comes same. Till then water will flow. After height comes, for example, these two are the containers. So no connection. Then height will come same. That's what, in both the containers, height of the water level will come same. Till then, what will flow? Afterwards, flow of water will be stopped. In same manner, here also, charge will redistribute from this to this or this to this till both will get potential difference equal. Means what? After doing this connection, what will happen? This is first capacitor C1, whose capacity is C1. This is capacitor C2, whose capacity is C2. But here potential difference V, here also potential difference V. And here charge is some change, plus or minus only, plus minus, but charge, amount of charge is Q1 dash. Here also amount of charge is Q2 dash, plus or minus. In that way, after connection, this is the change we'll see. So before doing connection, this was having potential difference V1, this is having potential difference V2, but charges Q1 and Q2. But now after doing connection, circuit is closed, charge will redistribute, just like when the both jars are connected with pipe, how water has flown from one to other till both will get same height. In both will get same height. Till then what will flow? After that flow will be stopped. Similarly, here also charge will flow from here to here or here to here through wires when the connection is done, when it is switched on. Now then till both will get potential difference same. Here potential difference V, here also potential difference V only between the plates. So then new charges here, new plus here positive charge is Q1 dash, here minus Q1 dash, here positive charge is Q2 dash, minus charge minus Q2 dash. Means what? Previously they were having plus Q1 minus Q1, plus Q2 minus Q2. Now plus Q1 dash and minus Q1 dash, plus Q2 dash minus Q2 dash. In that way, charges are redistributed. But here, what we have to find? We have to find the answers of three things. Common potential how much, and new charges Q1 dash how much, and Q2 dash how much, and how much energy is lost during this transfer of charge. Energy loss we have to find. So these three things, common potential how much they are getting after doing connection because of charge redistribution, to what common potential both are getting, and what are the new charges after redistribution, what are the new charges on each capacitor, Q1 dash, Q2 dash we have to find. And then energy is, how much energy is lost we have to find. These three things we have to find. To find these three things, imagining where first I am following here one law, what is called conservation of charge. Before doing connection, total charge was Q1 plus Q2. Q1 was charge in first capacitor, Q2 was charge in second capacitor. So total was Q1 plus Q2. Now after doing connection, charges were Q1 dash plus Q2 dash. So total charge was this. But total charge before and after should be remain same, because total charge cannot be destroyed nor neither can be created. That is called law of conservation of charge. So now Q1 means what? You know, C1 V1 plus Q2 means what? C2 V2. This is C1 V because this is C2 V. Because after doing connection, each capacitor got same potential V. That is why from this C1 plus C2 is taken, V is taken common. So V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. Otherwise Q1 plus Q2. This is Q1, this is Q2 by C1 plus C2. In that way we got answer for common potential. Common potential, one answer we found. Now what we find? Q1 dash. New charge on first C1 capacitor. See how much new charge? Q1 dash C1V. 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 That equal to C1 is C1 only. V means what? Just now we found. Q1 plus Q2 by C1 plus C2. Similarly, what is Q2 dash? New charge on second capacitor. New charge on second capacitor. C2V. That is a C2 into Q1 plus Q2 by C1 plus C2. These are the new charges. So new charges we found and common potential we found. Now we have to find energy loss during this redistribution of charge. To find energy loss, before doing connection, in the first capacitor, the energy was U1, how much? Half C1 V1 square, because its capacity was C1 and it was charged to potential difference V1. So energy was half C1 V1 square. In the second capacitor, the energy was U2, that equal to half C2 V2 square, because its capacity was C2 and it was charged to potential difference V2. So energy in that was half C2 V2 square. Total energy was U1 plus U2, that equal to half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square. This was the total energy before doing connection, before they are connected, before redistribution of charge, before they come to common potential. Now after come to common potential, energy U1 dash is half C1 V square. U2 dash is half C2 V square. Total energy is U1 dash plus U2 dash, half C1 V square plus half C2 V square. So that is equal to half C1 plus C2 into V square. Then energy loss, how much you have to find? Means what? Initial total energy minus final total energy. That means what? Energy loss. Initial total energy minus final total energy. Means what? Half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square minus half C1 plus C2 V square. In all this, half is common. So half is common. So C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square minus C1 plus C2, and this V common potential, that expression already we got. What is that? C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2, square is there, so square. So this is half C1 V1 square plus C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square minus C1 plus C2 whole square is present here. One C1 plus C2 got cancelled. So then C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square by C1 plus C2. Now this we have to simplify. Half is common only. Down LCM is 1 by C1 plus C2. Now we have to multiply first with C1 square V1 square plus C2 square C1 C2 V2 square. Now it's C1 C2 V1 square plus C2 square V2 square. Next minus this C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square. Now this way to expand it. Then, so therefore, energy loss is half C1 plus C2 into first C1 V1 square, C1 V1 square plus C1 C2 V2 square plus C1 C2 V1 square plus C2 square V2 square minus C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square. A plus B whole square at expand. Means what? C1 V1 square minus C2 V2 square minus 2 C1 C2 V1 V2. That equal to half C1 plus C2 into here C1 V1 square plus C minus C1 square and C2 V2 square minus C2 V2 square got cancelled. Then what is remained? In all the which are remained, in all C1 C2 is common. So if you take common C1 C2, what is there? V2 square plus V1 square minus 2 V1 V2. That is equal to half C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. This is the expression for energy loss. So